What's up, fellas? So what we're gonna do today is I'm putting saddlebag guards on. It's a real simple process. I bought them from Harley, straight from Harley, $280. Got a deal on them, $100 more than Amazon. I figured that would be better than buying the Amazon ones because I have done the Amazon things like this right here. And as you can see, the chrome sucks, starting to rust. So that's the downfall of Amazon. So buying it from Harley, I'm sure to get good quality chrome. So all you gotta do is remove your saddlebags, remove your seat. Easy. If you haven't done that, it's simple. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna remove this bolt and these two here. Remove those two bolts, this one and this one. We remove all those, and it comes with a new saddlebag support, which is basically the same thing. It's just pretty much cut off somewhere in here. Saddlebag guard to slide into. It's got a hole drilled through it, and it will bolt here where this used to bolt, and it'll bolt here. So we're going to remove that too. The kit came with a new bolt here, and it came with new nuts on the back sides of these bolts. Not sure why, but I'm using them. Put new ones on it, why the hell not? I already got this side over here done, and as you can see, that looks really good, guys. So good quality chrome from Harley Davidson. No pitting. Hell, $100 more. I guess it's worth to get good chrome, because as you can see, there's another Amazon. I bought these off of Amazon, and it's pitted. It's already rusting. So I forgot to mention, to get to the back side of this bolt with a Torx, we got to loosen 3 in here. 1, 2, and then the third one's up in here. Take them off and move this piece of trim that your antenna comes out of, if you got an antenna here. It's all connected to the rear fender here. What I did was I just took the nuts off that are in here. There's 3 nuts, and then just kind of fold this back a little ways. It'll move for you once you take those out. Then you can get to the back side of this with your Torx. Right there. So here's what the new one looks like. Like I said, it looks like it's just been cut off with a hole drilled in it. There's the old one. So yeah, it's identical, except for it's cut off right about there. You could always cut and drill your old one to match it. So remember to you're gonna save this. This is what holds your exhaust to this saddlebag support. So you gotta put it back in. So save your little bracket and little rubber condom here. And you can see it's got the little stopper in it. So you wanna feed this side in first, like so, inside this square right here. Trying to do this with one hand sucks. All right, guys, we're all buttoned up. Got the 2 bolts here tightened up. Got the 3 that hold this little fender trim on. They're done. We're tight on our exhaust bolts. This little keeper bolt here. And don't tighten this one up too much. I mean, you get a neoprene locking nut, so you just want to snug it up or you'll crush all this here. Got this one tight, and we've gotten this one tight. So we're all buttoned up there. It's time to put this back together. Of course, I'm gonna clean all this here up before I do that. Let's clean all that up before we put our saddlebag back on and our seat. Oh, is she looking good now, guys? Saddlebags are protected. So that was easy, real easy install. Took maybe an hour. hour and a half. A lot of it was cleaning after. But what do you think, guys? She look better now? I mean, I know some people don't like them because it's just that much more crap, but in case I dump her on the ground, I want a little protection. I don't want to have to buy new bags or get them painted and all that jazz. So scratch up some bars, no big deal. She looking good. Well, that's it, guys. Thanks for watching. Just take care. I'll see you on the next one.